Hi everybody, Barefoot Lass here with a toilet fix that's going to save you buku bucks. Do you happen to have a noisy toilet or a toilet tank that takes forever to fill? Well, if you do, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you an inexpensive, easy peasy way to replace a toilet fill valve. But before I do, remember to stay till the very end for my wacky bonus tip. It has to do with a toilet bowl and constipation. You don't want to miss this one. Here we go. Houston, we have a problem. I noticed that my toilet bowl is not filling up with water. And so it doesn't flush very well. So I looked it up, and it could be this hickamajig. And that is a fill valve. All right, so we are going to attempt to change it. Okay, wish me luck. Okay, this is what we're gonna need for this project. Paper towels, a bucket, which the bucket won't fit under there, so I have a bowl. And we also might need scissors, so I'm gonna put those there. And we need, oh, I hope so much we don't need this, a wrench. And we need a sponge or a towel. And of course, we need our part. Toilet fill valve. Easy solutions, easy install. Okay, let's hope so, guys. Ah, this is gonna be a fun one. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is turn off the water. That's a simple step. The next step is flush the commode. The next step is to get the excess water out of the tank. I'm going to use a towel. So we want to sop up as much as we possibly can. I have a bucket right here, and I'm going to squeeze out the water and just keep doing it until it's empty. The next step is we have to go under here, and we have to undo this. Wait, left. Loosey-goosey. I'm attaching the water thing, and we're going to dump it in there. Okay, that part was pretty easy. We removed the water supply connector, and next we have to remove this. It's kind of tight, so I have to loosen it up. So I have a chain wrench. I don't know if you guys know what, I'll show you later. Okay, I'm gonna loosen it up. Got it. This is a chain wrench. Look how long it is. It really comes in handy and hard to get places, and it's also really good because since it's so long, you can really use elbow grease, and it's pretty good. So that's a chain wrench. Next, we're going to remove the old fill valve. We have to unhook it here, and then just lift it out, and then we're going to put it in a bucket to drain it. Now I'm going to compare it to the old fill valve to see if it's about the right length. You can adjust these, and it looks pretty good to me. Okay, we're ready to put the new one in. Put it down. I already attached the refill tube, and now I'm going to put the other end in here because I have an older commode. gonna push it down. That should be good. So, why did we need our scissors? Because if your refill tube is too long, you just cut it with the scissors. Simple as that. This unit comes with a refill clip, and if you have a different type, it clips on here, and then this little tube goes in here. But I don't need it because I have this. Now we're going to screw on the lock nut. You're supposed to hand tighten it and not use a wrench on it. There, I think that's good. Now we're going to attach the water supply connector to the fill valve. And we're supposed to hand tighten it and not over tighten it. Here's the scary part. I have to turn on the water. Okay, I'm like all nervous. Okay, let's do it. Let's turn on the water. Check on the bottom to make sure there's no leaks. No leaks. Once your tank is filled up, you want to make sure that the water level is at least 1/2 inch to an inch lower than your overflow pipe, which is right here. Mine has a little crack in it, but that's okay. You just want to make sure it's 1/2 inch to an inch below that. Now, if your water is too low or too high, you just adjust it with the water level adjustment, and you just turn it to the left or to the right. If it's too high, you turn it to the right, and if it's too low, you turn it counterclockwise to the left. All right, it went up to the line. Now it's time to flush. It looks like it works so far. Let's see if it fills up normal. This project ended up costing $9. I'm sure that I saved at least $100 by not calling a plumber. If I can do it, you can do it. Now, please stay tuned for the wacky bonus tip that has to do with a toilet bowl and constipation. But first, a 10-second word from our sponsor. Surprise! It's me, Barefoot Lass. I'm my sponsor. So dag nabbit, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that little bell. That way you'll be alerted to my next episode. And please give me a thumbs up. And I would be like totally delighted if you leave me a comment. Hopefully it's a good one. Okay, thanks guys. On with the show. Bonus tip. All right, this is a wacky one. Have you ever been constipated? Well, here's a really good tip to help you out. All you have to do is get peppermint essential oil and drop 3 to 5 drops into your toilet bowl. That's it. Then you sit on your toilet bowl and the fumes from the peppermint oil will relax those muscles and it'll help you to go. Okay, that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. You guys are great. Please stay tuned for my next episode, which is going to be a really crazy contraption that you will use when the electric goes out that will give you light, heat, and cook on one little contraption. Okie dokie. We'll see you. Thanks so much for stopping by. See ya!